heat finally came to Benidorm town, and this time we think that it's going to stay with us forever, at least for this summer season. It is so hot outside that plenty of people rushed towards the Levante beach. Even though it's mid-work week, the beach is packed up and it's difficult to find a space on the front line. Welcome to the sunny Benidorm town. Let's join us. Let's go all together with some sunscreen on, some sun hats, and a water bottle to show you around incredible atmosphere by the most popular beach of Benidorm, Levante Beach. This is how busy it is right now at the end of the month of May, just a week before the calendar summer will officially start. First of all, obviously one of the key points of the beach without which it wouldn't be that busy, the bars and the cafeterias on the Levante beach, packed up with tourists. All the tables on the Sunshine are occupied. The wild duck, the stag and pheasant, the other restaurants here nearby, all of them are extremely busy. People are getting some cocktails, some cold beers, wines, sangrias, mojitos, and typical summer cocktails are flowing in this area right now. Some of these restaurants, like Nola's, I think it's called, refurbished completely themselves, and with a brand new design, they're even busier than they were previously. Here on the beach, you can tell who is Spanish and who's not. Many Spanish, they cover up below the palm trees in the shade because they do not want that much of a sunshine. All the umbrellas, a lot of these people, they're locals. The cable ski and wakeboard place, one of the first ones to open up here on the Levante beach. The parasailing, fly fish, all of these are out here nearby. What in the world is that? Is there a post box right in the middle of the road where cars are passing? That is a strange thing to actually see. Really busy front line of the beach. That is actually curious because usually in summer, it is when it's difficult to find a free spot right here by the water. But right now, it's still not summer, and it is already difficult to get a spot out here. It definitely feels like you need to come early in the morning in order to get a nice spot out here. People are curious. A lot of vehicles are passing by the Rincon de Loich. And see? Well, yeah, it's covering up a little bit. It's not in the middle, but still, there is a post box right here, almost in the middle of the road. That's interesting. The Promenade lights are almost done and finished right before summer season, which is great. Roman Cafe opened up its terrace for people to enjoy some lovely views. The Bikini Beach Bar, we like this place. They have very nice food, and they also have very nice pizza. See, bottomless pizza. Oh, that's nice. And they actually do it right here. So they cook it right here. You can choose the ingredients, etc. And it's very fresh. So some nice pizzas are available right here by the beachfront. Here it's not as busy because it's wider, but even so, the front line is quite vivid. We can see already the banana right there. We can see cable ski. We can see some jet skis. Someone's doing the cable ski right now. There's quite a bit of line of people for it. Others just prefer to have a walk around, to enjoy a slightly quieter way of holidays. Even the pets and the fluffy friends are enjoying the sunny day in Benidorm town. Look at the paid sunbeds. I've never seen them that busy outside of a summer season. And a lot of work is being done right here to finish out the promenade lights as soon as possible. It's already the straight end. By now, almost all of it is officially done and over with. So just a little bit of time more, and it's going to be all clean, neat, and tidy. And then we'll have to wait a little bit for some more seating areas to do here on the Levante beach, and then it's going to be all good to go. Look at these. There's a whole lot of sunbeds, that's true, and there's even more of them out there. But all the first, second, and third rows are occupied. The rest are not, are free. So maybe, just maybe, it's not necessary to put 10 rows of paid sunbeds. Just our modest opinion. But hey, each one to their own. Obviously, they are getting used, but I feel like it's too many of them still here on the beach. Because a lot of people just want to grab a towel, come quick here, have a swim, just leave the towel somewhere comfortably nearby, and then go back to their hotel or to discover Benidorm town. Typical Spanish restaurants, really, really lovely places. This one's actually very nice, Artigas too. We've been here, we have a full video about it. We've tried their menus. By the way, these are the prices now. I feel like the smaller one might have increased a little bit. 16.90 right now, menu of the day. And then there's a special menu for 20 euros 90 cents. All these menu videos, tapas videos, food videos that we've done, we're going to be coming back to these shortly. Don't be afraid, it will be happening. We're just trying our best to jungle around with all the several businesses that we have and the migration consulting company that steals all of our free time right now. So we'll try our best to come back as soon as possible, but we are planning on doing food videos back again. Beach terrace here nearby, the Lazy Cow, all the typical bars that are ideal for groups and stack parties, hen do's, bridal showers, divorce showers, whatever you got to celebrate. These are ideal. They target this specific audience and they have a lot of things they do actually offer. Shot deals, cocktail deals for groups, etc, etc. Sol Beach, also a nice place to have some meals. And the good part is that everything's located right here by the beachfront. This is actually very, very nice. And that's why some of these areas are the busiest. All the services are located nearby. There's all the information boards to show you where to go in case something happens. There's lifeguards right there and SOS point right here on this side. On the middle of the beach, I think it's several points actually, at least 2 points. There's an ambulance also, the beach ambulance, that can come really, really quick in case something happens. But hopefully it's not going to be needed. A lot of movement in general. We see a lot of bicycles, a lot of mobility scooters, a lot of e-scooters, a lot of people walking around, enjoying the lovely weather. Right now, the official temperatures are around 22, 23 degrees, but it feels like 25, 26 on the sunshine, which is really, really warm. It's going to be even warmer towards tomorrow, the day after, towards the weekend. It's going to reach up to 30 degrees, which is absolutely incredible. Definitely we'll see way more people here by the beach promenade. However, don't forget important things. If you will be here on holidays, if it's going to be so warm, what you need to know is cocktails and alcohol do not count as hydration. Okay, drink bottles of water. Get 1 or 2 if you go outside for walks. Use some sun hats, or if not, sunscreen. Stay in the shade a little bit. And avoid peak moments of the day. Oh, wow. What is happening? Ooh. This is interesting. What in the world is that? Oh, wow. What is this stuff? Huh. This is interesting. Take a wild guess before researching online. What do you think it is? Our guesses would be either kids' playgrounds or the area with some artificial shade, or some more lights, like Gernald lights connecting it, or some platforms for something specific, for people to sit down, maybe another library, something to enjoy the beach, because it's perforating inside, so it's quite a deep structure. Let us know, what do you think about it? As usual, here on the beach, we have a lot of police officers that are patrolling the area to make it safe and nice for all of us locals and tourists who have decided to come here to the area, which is great. And this is also the reason why so many people choose this area for not only for living and relocating, but also for their holidays. We have quite a big police presence, and there's quite a lot of people here. Obviously, it's a touristic place, so we need police presence, we need cameras, we need like control over the area. So people feel themselves safe here, which is one of the best things that you can tell about the destination, that it is a safe destination to go. So there's going to be always police officers. It's not that something's happening, not necessarily. It's just because we have a safe area. Ooh, look at that. Copacabana changed something here. They've put like the new, I think they've put like white thing and they renewed the name. Oh, they put some shade maybe as well on this side. Yeah, they definitely did. They definitely changed it. They did a supermarket inside and then they've put half of the terrace in the shade. Honestly, quite an expensive place. Maybe the food is great. We'll have to go and try it out just to let you know. But I feel like breakfast there is quite expensive. Unless it's delicious, which is why it might be worth it. Green flag today, gorgeous views of the Benidorm's island, which is where, by the way, you can get by a boat from the port of Benidorm. Honestly, it's just to admire the views because there's literally nothing else there, just a bunch of birds that are screaming and shouting that you are there, walking around and bothering them. So yeah, take that into consideration. But if you want to have a nice trip by boat, if you want to do like a submarine vision, if you're curious, if you just want to enjoy, make some pictures of Benidorm from inside of the sea, well, this might be one of the reasons why to go to Benidorm's island, so that you could just cross it out of your bucket list. Overall, really busy. It does have like a summer feel, authentic summer feel here in the area. Whole lot of people, everyone enjoying the sunshine and the beach. The typical terraces of your favorite bars are packed up with people, even though it's not as busy as it usually is on weekends, but still it is. And the DJ sessions are already here, and they will be here throughout the whole entire summer season up until the month of October, more or less the end of October. So even Cayman Beach is really packed up. All the tables on the outside are literally occupied, and there's not a single space left. Really hot today in Benidorm, and tourists are making sure they enjoy this sunny day.